Here's how to fix Valorant. Sorry, we're having trouble signing you in right now. The first and most effective method is to change your DNS settings. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Make sure View By is set to Category, then go to Network and Internet, followed by Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on your internet that you are currently using and select Properties. Highlight Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Under the DNS settings, change Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1111 as the preferred DNS server and 1001 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes. If that doesn't solve the issue, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type % local app data %, and press Enter. Scroll down until you find the Valorant folder. Then right-click it and select Delete. Next, locate the Riot Games folder in the same location. Open it, right-click the Valorant folder, and delete it as well. After deleting both folders, try signing in again. If you're still unable to log in, run Valorant as an administrator. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and launch the game again. Another possible cause is your Windows Firewall configuration. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Change Settings. Now click Allow another app, then Browse. Navigate to your folder where Valorant is installed. Open Valorant, then Live, and select the Valorant executable. Click Open, then Add. Now, again, click Allow another app, click Browser, and browse to the shooter game folder. Open Binaries, then Win64. Select Valorant, Win64, shipping.exe, and click Add. Next, go back to your desktop, right-click the Valorant shortcut on your desktop, and select Open File Location. Here, copy the folder path from the address bar. Return to the Windows Firewall window, click Allow another app, then Browse, paste the copied path into the address bar, and press Enter. Select Riot Client Services.exe. Click Open, and then Add. After adding all three applications, make sure both private and public are enabled for Riot Client and Valorant as well. Click OK to save the changes. If you're still having trouble signing in, there's one final method to try. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, run the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. ipconfig space /release. Then ipconfig space /renew. After that, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Finally, type ipconfig space /register DNS. Once all four commands have completed, restart your computer and try signing into Valorant again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.